Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're drawing Ballerina Cappuccina, a ballerina with a coffee cup head. Let's get started. Let's begin with her face. Draw two big sparkly eyes. A small nose, and a sweet smile. Now, around her face, we'll draw her cup head, a big oval for the rim, curved sides, and a handle. Don't forget the swirly steam on top, she's full of warm dance energy. Next, a small neck under the cup, like a tiny straw. Now stretch out her arms in a twirling pose, nice and graceful. Draw her slim ballerina body and a big fluffy tutu, like a cupcake wrapper. Finally, her long dancer legs and little ballet slippers with ribbon ties, she's standing on her tiptoes. Great job! Now it's time to paint. Let's color her coffee cup head a light creamy brown, like warm cappuccino. Her eyes can be sparkly blue or any color you like. Her tutu? Let's go with pink, purple, or even rainbow, you choose. Add golden or silver slippers to make her shine on stage. You can even paint the steam in soft swirls of white and gray. And we're done! Look how magical she looks! If you had fun, like and subscribe for more awesome art adventures. Bye bye, little artists!